Next, we discuss about hiring suppliers and designers. To begin looking for products, you need to be on the lookout for any white label products. White label products are items manufactured by a single company and are rebranded by another company to make it look like their own. Many giant companies practice this method. Some white label products out there range from makeup brands all the way to t-shirts. Once you've found your supplier, you need to ensure that the companies are willing to drop ship. Most of them will let you pre-purchase units if you want to keep some of them at your home office, but they will keep your products in their warehouse and fulfill your order for you. There are many suppliers out there that can provide the service for you. Some of my personal favorites are gearbubble.com and powermerch.io. Both companies will assist you on supplying and even designing your own products. There are many ways for you to hire a designer. But if you have the skills to design your own t-shirts, caps, or even bags, you can do it yourself. All you need is a good software like Photoshop or Illustrator, and you're all set. However, should you prefer to outsource the job to someone else, then hiring others to do the artwork for you would be your best solution. Look for designers at Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and even Behance.com. Any freelancing website should have freelancers who are skilled in designing clothing artwork or any others. Post a job under the niche of your product. Make sure to post a precise and concise job scope to your freelancer. Some sites even allow you to post a job to a specific freelancer. If you found the freelancer of your choice, you can invite him to do the job for you. Otherwise, you can just post the job to anyone with designing skills.